How to draw the letter D from alphabet lore, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a square shape with curved edges. This will be the right eye of our letter D from alphabet lore. On the bottom inside of the shape, let's draw a line going from left to right. Now, on the top portion of this line, we're going to draw a pupil by making a small black square shape. Fantastic! Now attached to the left side of this eye, we're going to draw the second eye. Keep in mind that the second eye will be a little bit larger than the one that we just drew. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like today's video, and we've also drawn other alphabet lore characters like the letter F and the letter A. I'll include a link down to those in the description in case you want to draw those as well. Now attached to the left eye, which is the one that we just drew together, we're going to draw a small triangular shape for the nose, with the mouth attached to the bottom of the shape. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. So now that we have the eyes, nose, and mouth drawn, we can now draw the outline of the letter D. Let's begin by drawing a line going up and down, attached to the left eye. Nice job! Now let's draw an additional line right below that will line up with the one that we just drew. Now last but not least, to connect these 2 points, let's draw a big backward C line. This is how to draw the letter D from alphabet lore. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.